Welcome back. It is still chilly out on this Thursday morning, as it has been pretty much every single day this week. I can't even remember a day since this Saturday where it didn't snow, at least part in the inland northwest. What a stretch of mid-April weather that's resembling a bit more like mid-January out there. So still going to be a little bit cool, still a little bit of some light snowfall out there for this morning. But as we look ahead towards the Easter weekend, could be messy by Saturday evening, but Easter Sunday itself is starting to look a lot better. I think that's when the weather really starts to turn back closer towards normal. But here are these light snow showers that have been drifting up from the south, making it about halfway up the inland northwest. So that means, yes, it looks like a little bit more light snow for the Palouse, where it has been most frequent really since this past weekend. Also some more light snow showers, especially between Ritzville and Moses Lake. So if you're traveling on I-90 westward towards the other side of the state, you might be running into some snow flurries or some snow showers, but we haven't noticed any kind of road condition deterioration, thankfully. But this small disturbance has now moved onshore and into Oregon, so that's where a bit of that moisture is coming from as of this morning, and it will linger for most of the day today. So temperatures down on the Palouse might be hard-pressed to hit 40 degrees for today. Meanwhile, another day at about 44 here in Spokane, which would match what we had from yesterday. So on Future Tracker, it is showing again some very light snow showers, probably no accumulations, but just kind of more of an inconvenience and an annoyance than anything else all the way through 10 o'clock tonight, maybe even to midnight, I think would be the latest that we see most of the snow shower activity. But again, light, probably no accumulations. Then we look ahead towards this weekend. This is midday on Saturday, where a storm system is going to be rising from the south to the north. And I think it's going to be more so centered over North Idaho and into Montana, where there's definitely going to be snow for Montana. For us, it's a matter of how low do the snow levels drop this weekend to the lower elevations, maybe as low as about 2,000 feet. Also, I think central Washington gets dry. Eastern Washington's just kind of a chance for this Saturday. So I think we'll get some PM rain and snow heading into Saturday evening, but Easter Sunday is looking a lot nicer overall, with those temperatures finally back into the 50s. It might be low 50s, but 50s nonetheless. Starting on Easter Sunday, we'll have more 50s in the forecast early next week.